There are two types of people regarding appliances. One type is people who just don't care how much is energy consumption, both in electricity and water consumption. And other type of people is people who really care how much your appliance is actually spending. And with these modern appliances, you have a lot of features. This Beko dishwasher is really rich with features. You have half load, fast, some additional cleaning features, but my main concern was this half load feature. How much I benefit actually when I use it, how much energy I'm saving, and it is really hard to find out how much water you save when you use this feature, but to test how much electricity you use, that is quite possible. So with this test, I want to test how much energy you save on Eco program and 70-degree intensive program. These two programs I use the most. Actually, in 90% of cases I use P4. And let's test now and see how much actually you save. Every dishwasher have a most economical program. In this case it is a program P1, 50-degree Eco, 3 hours 59 minutes. Really a long time. It is set to 0, and let's see a consumption. After a long time, P1 Eco 50-degree program ended, and here we can see a consumption. It is 0.533 kilowatts per hour, or 533 watts. We've seen a P1 Eco 50-degree full cycle consumption, and now I want to see with half load selected. You can see the time difference. Let's start it, and we can see here that cost is 0. Eco program 90-degree half load finished. Let's see the energy consumption. It is 495 watts. Today is the day for program number 4, which is the intensive program on 70-degree. This is without any additional function. So we just select number 4, 2 hours 44 minutes, and start. And to show you, we have a cost in kilowatt hours, which is now 0. Intensive program on 70-degree finished. A lot of steam, and this is 900 watts, 0.9 kilowatts. Now, when we know how much electricity the program for 70-degree is using, the main question is how much you save if you use half load function. So let's test it. Alright, program 4, half load. As you can see, the time difference is around 40 minutes, and let's go. Here you can see that it is all zeros. The program is done, and here you can see a 0.8 kilowatts, or 812 watts. I can conclude regarding P4 70-degree. When you use a normal cycle without any additional feature and without half load feature on, it will use around 900 watts, which is around what manufacturer is providing in user manual. But on the half load, it will spend 812 watts. What I can say you about this is that when you use half load in this case on the Beko dishwasher, basically it will skip the first cycle. It will directly use cleaning powder and start cleaning process. And without a half load feature, you will have a first pre-soaking, pre-cleaning process, and that is those 100 watts more and less. Regarding a P1 50-degree Eco, which is designed as any other Eco program to use less possible amount of energy and water, and we can see that normal load without any additional feature is 533 watts. When you turn on a half load feature, it is 495 watts. So to conclude this video, is it worth to use a half load feature, at least on Beko? And I'm pretty confident that any other manufacturer is using a similar concept. I will repeat, on the Beko dishwasher, it will just skip a pre-soak, pre-clean part of the cycle and directly go on the first full cleaning cycle with dishwashing detergent or powder, depending what you use. I will recommend to just use a full program, or if you really want to clean less dirty dishes, just use a quick program. On the Beko, it is program number 5, which is a really good program, quick and shine, 60-degree. So regarding that, the half load is really just a gimmick. It is nothing special. It is not worth the hassle. The energy saving is ridiculously not a factor here. Yes, you save maybe 1 or 2 liters of water, but that is really not that much of a factor here. Anyway, if you have different opinion about this, I would really like to hear it. So write that down in the comments, and please like this video, share it, subscribe. That is really important for me. So until next time, see you.